Hi, I would like to show you how to properly read your tape measure. Let's start from the 16th. So this is a 16th. This is an eighth, quarter, half inch, 3/4 inch. Let's go here, it'll be easier for you. So the 16 sixteenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, all the way. It's 16 sixteens. So 16 sixteens will equal 1 inch. 8 sixteens will equal a half inch. 4 sixteens will equal a quarter. So just like that is how we measure. If you go, I always measure and work in eighths. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8 make half inch. 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. So let's go again. So 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 6/16, 7/16, 8/16. Remember, 8/16 is half inch. 9/16, 10/16, 11/16, 12/16, 13/16, 14/16, 15/16. 16/16 makes 1 inch. And then we'll go 2/16, we'll make an eighth. And then 4/16, 2, 3, 4, we'll make a quarter. So, so you'll be using, most of your times will be, you'll use 1/8, quarter, 3/8, 4/8 will be half inch, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8 again equals 1 inch. 16 sixteens equals 1 inch. 8/8 equals 1 inch. 4/4 equals 1 inch. I mean, that's pretty much right there's your basic fundamentals. Me, mostly, I always use the eighth. Everything I do, 1/8, 2/8, I only use sixteens when I go very small or if I go finish. So, you know what I mean? So if you go 3/16, say, you're going to be cutting, right here. So there you go, folks. Nice and basic. Let's go over again. So 16 sixteens equals 1 inch. 8/8 equals 1 inch. 4/4 equals 1 inch. See them? 1, 2, 3, 4.